What's good, y'all? It's Ted from TED Talk Space. Obviously not in my space, no mic and lights and all that stuff. But check this out. My man Adam Arts just turned me on to something real dope. I need you to know about this. I also need you to go follow him on IG and YouTube. The boy is dope, dope, dope. We were talking about learning a lot of songs. How do you learn a lot of songs? I've always said it. You learn a lot of songs by learning a lot of songs. The key is, if you want to get out there and be playing, making money playing in like cover bands and things like that, you need to know a lot of songs. One of the best ways to do that is to, in my opinion, go find the working bands in your area, look at their song lists, right? And then start going through that song list. How many of those songs can you play? But what Adam turned me on to just a few minutes ago is this website called Spot Lister. I don't know if you can see this, spotlister.com. And what it does is you can, let's say you go to somebody's website, you see their song list, copy that text, put it in there. It will make a Spotify playlist for you. So here's an example of how you can do this. This is a local band in my area that works a lot. And as I said before, most working bands are going to have a song list. Here they've got their song list separated by Motown, old school, pop. We'll just take, here's 70s disco and dance. Let's just copy the names of these songs in this list. I'm just going to copy that and then go to songlister.com. If I'm logged into Spotify, I'll paste that list and then click search. And look at there, we've got all those songs, and I'm going to name my playlist 70s Disco. Create playlist, and then go over to Spotify, and there's my 70s Disco list. So when I'm practicing, I can go through this list and take inventory of how many songs can I just play. As I mentioned before, anytime you practice, you want to include actual songs into your practice, because that's what you're actually going to play on a gig. Look, I know we all have, our misgivings about Spotify, but it's a tool, and a tool that I think you should use. In any event, in order to learn a lot of songs, you just got to learn a lot of songs, and you got to learn them before you need to play them, so then you're not like cramming them and all that. A part of your practice time should be learning songs or playing songs, because in the real world, you ain't playing scales, you ain't playing modes, you playing songs. And so get into that. Adam, this is dope. This is dope. I hope you don't mind me kind of stealing this, but I'm going to direct some folks over to you. And if you don't hit like and subscribe on this video, I'm coming to your house. I'm actually not coming to your house, but it'd be great if you like and subscribe. Do the thing. Catch you in the next video. Peace. Two fingers.